If you read the title, you might be wondering, what do you mean by saying easy mode? Well, what if I told you that you can achieve a really great and fantastic vocal sound without being an expert in audio engineering? Is it possible? Let's find out. Hey guys, I'm DJ Legion from Audio Waves Academy, and today I wanted to show you something different. A week ago, I had a phone call with a friend of mine, which is a vocalist, but he doesn't have any studio, he is just recording in his bedroom, and he asked me some questions that made me thinking, is it possible to get a really good final result on your vocal recording without being in a big studio and without having any idea like a really small idea from sound engineering? Long story short, I told him, okay, let me check, but first I want to ask you some questions. What are your main problems and what plugins do you have? He told me that he had some problems with reverb on his room and a lot of noise coming from outside. And by the way, he's just using a $150 mic. I said to him, okay, cool, I will show you what plugins you're going to use and it will improve your vocals. So this is how I come up with this idea for this tutorial today, because I wanted also to help some people, not only the engineers, I wanted also to help the vocalists that they are on a low budget or no budget, let's say, to achieve really great sound without doing anything and without knowing anything about sound engineering. First thing that I always do when I get a vocal is to listen if it is really good vocal, I mean the recording, and what does it need to be fixed. So the first one is going to be here, as you can see, the recording. This is the vocal that we get right now. This is a good vocal, to say the truth.
Tell me what you're feeling, why you chose to take this road, but I'm not willing to give up myself for you to take control.
But this is not a problem. I'm going to show you what everything these plugins do here. The first one is the de-reverb. Right now we don't hear so much reverb here in this vocal, but let me go just and add it just to have an idea how this could help us. Go and put it here first, no chain, and let's go and emulate a place that you were going to record.
Now you can tell me what you're feeling, why you chose to take this road, but I'm not willing to give up.
Let's say, for example, you were recording in a room and you have this kind of reverb right now, and how you can go and fix this, you are going to go and use this Clarity VX Reverb Pro, de-reverb Pro, sorry.
Myself for you to take control. Now you've been saying all the words, but I'm still circling in love.
So you can hear right away, this plugin is really great. If I go and overdo it a little bit.
Oh, baby, you don't even take the trouble. Oh, tell me what you're feeling, why you chose to take this road, but I'm not willing to give up myself for you to take control. Now you've been saying all the words, but I'm still circling in love.
The next plugin that I would like to show you, let's go and take this one out, is the NS1. And you can use this plugin, for example, when you are trying to record and where you live, you have a lot of noise coming from the outside or a lot of noise coming, for example, from your neighbors. This is a really simple plugin. This is the noise suppressor one.
To give up myself for you to take control. Now you've been saying all the words.
For example, here that we are not hearing something. It is being activated, but if I go and take it out or just dial that down,
you can tell me what you're feeling, why you chose to take this road, but I'm not willing to.
And you can go also and push it like really hard. You don't need to, but still it can really save your vocals if there's a lot of background noise. The next plugin that I love, seriously, I love this plugin, is the Deep Breathe. It's a mono plugin here. It really saves me because I hate, this is my opinion, I don't like to have these big breaths that are coming from the artist when he's, for example, like here, or I don't know. I don't like them. It's just my way of mixing stuff. What this plugin does, it's pretty simple. Let's go and find a breath here.
Why you chose to take this road, but
Okay, let's go here. For example, we have this breath. What I could go and do is go here and mark this session and this section and delete it. But it's a lot of work, to say the truth, if you have a really big vocal, and this happens a lot of times. So what I could do is go here. Let's go and make a loop. Let's go and activate this plugin here.
take this road, but I'm not willing to take this road, but I'm not willing to take this road.
And it's a miracle. It makes it disappear. And now the next plugin that I want to show you, this is a pretty simple plugin also again, the de-esser. It happens that a lot of S's might happen here on the track.
Now you can tell me what you're feeling, why you chose to take this road, but I'm not willing to give up myself for you.
Let's go and check, for example, the word self.
Willing to give up myself,
Here.
myself for myself for myself, myself for myself for you to take control. Myself for
If I go and push a little bit more,
myself for you,
if I go and push a little bit more, you can hear that this S is not so loud anymore.
myself for you to take control.
Let's go and overdo it a little bit.
Myself for you to myself for
Okay, this was a bit too much, but you have an idea what the de-esser does. Okay, now let's go on the tuning. On the tuning, you don't have so many options. You're going to use only the waves tune. But I told him if you want to hear right away how you sound, you can go and use the waves tune real time. And in this case, for example, this plugin is also pretty simple. Here you can see right away that we have the chromatic and the key, and you can go and play with the speed as a note transition. So in this case, let's go and put it on major, which is the track that which is the scale that we have here, the A major scale. And let me go and loop this section.
to keep me there beside you, honey. I don't think you even try
Okay, you don't want this one here. This is like too much.
to keep me there beside you, honey. I don't think you even try. It's okay, 'cause I don't care if you get over in a while. I don't care if you get real.
But if you want like this kind of T-Pain, you don't want this one if you're a singer, by the way. You can go and put it here.
To keep me there beside you, honey. I don't think you even try.
And then you have this kind of sound. But if you sing, like if you can sing like just a little bit, you can go and fine tune it to this one here. Just put it on link.
To keep me there beside you, honey. I don't think you even try. It's okay, 'cause I don't care if you get over in a while.
Now let's go and talk about coloring. And what I mean by coloring is applying compression and EQing and some saturation. The first plugin that I really love, and a lot of people sleep on this plugin, is the RVox. It's pretty simple, but it makes your vocal sound so great, seriously. So let's have a listen.
To keep me there beside you, honey. I don't think you even try. It's okay, 'cause I don't care if you get over in a while. I don't care if you get real. I don't care if you get older. I don't get why you so weak. To keep me there beside you, honey. I don't think you even
Okay, right now I just took it down a little bit here, and I'm having a reduction here like -3.5, -4. It depends on your kind of what you are singing. Are you a rapper or you are trying also to sing like a pop? If you are doing some pop, you can really crush it.
to keep me there beside you, honey. I don't think you even try.
So the ideal goal for me here, to sum up, is
To keep me there beside you, honey. I don't think you even try. It's okay, 'cause I don't care if you get up.
to get a -3.5, somewhere there,
To keep me there beside you, honey. I
-3,
don't think
somewhere there.
to keep me
This is my opinion, and I think it could work like really great here. But right now we have the vocals are a bit louder. You can go and dial down the gain here, but you can also go and
to
put
keep
it down
me
here.
there beside you, honey. I don't think you even try. It's okay, 'cause I don't care if you get over in a while. I don't care if you get real. I don't care if you get older. I don't get why you're so weak.
Okay, Okay, now the next plugin that I want to show you is a saturator. This is the Magma BB Tubes, and I really love this plugin. It's pretty simple, and go and solo the vocals only.
To keep me there beside you, honey, I don't think you even try. It's okay, cause I don't care.
For example, this one is too much, but you can go.
To keep me there beside you, honey, I don't think you even try.
Try to play a little bit with this and find maybe also this one.
To keep me there beside you, honey.
For example, you can go and use this case, the beast,
To keep me there beside you, honey.
for an effect if you want, but I would just go and put it here on 0. I want the beauty more.
To keep me there beside you, honey, I don't think you even try. It's okay, cause I don't care if you get over it.
And you can mix it in if you want.
To keep me there beside you, honey, I don't think you even try. It's okay, cause I don't care if you get over in a while.
I really like this one. And the next plugin is not the best one, but really does the work. To say the truth, I don't love this one kind of things, plugins, but this one, it really brings the vocal, the highs from the vocal like more in the front and more present.
To keep me there beside you, honey, I don't think you even try. It's okay, cause I don't care if you get over in a while. I don't care.
This plugin is the one of brighter. Be careful with this plugin because if you overdo it, you will ruin your vocals.
To keep me there beside you, honey, I don't think you even try. It's okay, cause I don't care if you get over in a while.
Let's have a listen how everything sounds with and without this chain. This is just a plugin that I'm going to use to demonstrate how this was before these 3 plugins and how it sounds after. So right now we are on before.
To keep me there beside you, honey, I don't think you even try. It's okay, cause I don't care if you get over in a while. I don't care if you get real. I don't care if you get older. I don't get why you're so weak. Oh. To keep me there beside you, honey, I don't think you even try. It's okay, cause I don't care if you get over in a while. I don't care if you get real. I don't care if you get older. I don't get why you're so weak. Oh, I'm not the one.
You can hear right away that using these 3 plugins, we are bringing the vocals more in the front without damaging it, and it makes the sound much cleaner and much more present. Now, before we go on the plugin that does it all, I want to show you also 2 plugins more that you can go and use when you want to put a delay and a reverb. So I'm just going to send it on a bass. This one right now is the reverb, and this is the Abbey Road. To say the truth, I really like if you go here on the vocal and just use the short plate, and then here we have this one here, the bass, the send bass, and you can go and mix it in. Let's put it on solo first.
To keep me there beside you, honey, I don't think you even try. It's okay, cause I don't care if you get over in a while. I don't care if you get real. I don't care if you get older. I don't get why you're so weak. Oh, I'm not the one.
You can also go here and add another bass where we are going to send the vocals in a bigger reverb. This is the vocal plate preset.
To keep me there beside you, honey, I don't think you even try. It's okay, cause I don't care if you get over in a while. I don't care if you get real. I don't care if you get older.
In case you want this kind of vocals, this is a really great plugin, the Abbey Road plates, and it's really simple to use. Just go and use this preset here, the vocal plate, and just mix it in. Now let's go on the delay. The delay is the H delay, and again here you go on the classics and choose the ping pong or try some other delays here, some other presets, but the ping pong is really great for the beginning.
To keep me there beside you, honey, I don't think you even try. It's okay, cause I don't care if you get over in a while. I don't care if you get real. I don't care if you get older. I don't get why you're so weak.
Let's go and break down a bit here the beauty, because I can hear that the vocals are a bit too much burned.
To keep me there beside you, honey, I don't think you even try. It's okay, cause I don't care if you get over in a while. I don't care if you get real, I don't care if you get older. I don't get why you're so weak.
Now let's go on the final one, which is going to be the one plugin does it all. Here, this is going to be the CLA vocals, and you can go and use this Start Me Up preset. Let's have a listen how it sounds.
To keep me there beside you, honey, I don't think you even try. It's okay, cause I don't care if you get over in a while. I don't care if you get real, I don't care if you get older. I don't.
To say the truth, I don't really like this one too much, but if you have no idea or you're a little bit lazy to do the other things that I showed you, you can go and use this preset here, and let's go, for example, and say you want a little bit more reverb.
To keep me there beside you, honey, I don't think you even try. It's okay, cause I don't care if you get over in a while.
You can also go here and use some different settings for the compression.
To keep me there beside you, honey, I don't think you even try. It's okay, cause I don't get.
Or deactivate the delay.
To keep me there beside you, honey, I don't think you even try. It's okay, cause I don't care if you get over in a while. I don't care if you get real, I don't care if you get older. I don't get why you're so weak. Oh, I'm not the one who will take you back. So
Well, to say the truth, I'm not so big fan of this one plugin does it all, but you have an option to use this one if you want. I hope you found this tutorial helpful if you wanted to just record some vocals and you had absolutely no idea about sound engineering or anything. If you like this tutorial, just leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more.